here with a little very exciting Flosstube extra. So the Historical Sampler Company reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked if I wanted to review and participate in their summer stitch along, Hello Summer. And I said, obviously. The previews looked really cute and I was very excited. And just today, the gift box that they sent is popped through the letterbox, and I wanted to do a little unboxing here with you on my channel just to show you guys what comes in here if you were interested in participating. So let me open the box first. I have not looked in here yet, so I've just opened it. All right, so very cute presentation. Have their little sticker here which says Historical Sampler Company, stitched with love, which I love. And if I hate ripping this, but okay. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. Wow. Okay, so I think in addition to being a cross stitch Sal, obviously, the gift box comes with a bunch of lifestyle stuff. So first up, we have this little postcard that says, oh God, I don't know if I want to attempt this. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. And if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Oh, bleh. I only messed up like once. I guess that's all right. So that's cute. It's like a little postcard. And then we have, oh, this really cute, like, summer beach kind of ornament to hang up. This would look really cute, like, in some kind of stitching display or something. That's really cute. I love that. I need to figure out where to hang that up. So we got some washi tape. You know, I've never actually owned washi tape, so this will be good. I don't know what I'll do with it as of yet, but I'm very excited, and it's like cute summer polka dots. Oh my gosh, it comes with a pair of scissors. I love this packaging of that. How cute is that? One pair of small scissors. Oh, that's cute. And so if I pull it out, ooh. And it says designed with love. Aww. Ooh, those are nice. They're kind of like antique-y. I love that. Love the presentation of this. Look at this. Wow. All right, what should we do next? Let's do with the obvious, the snacks. Okay, so this is handcrafted gourmet popcorn in cookies and cream. Ooh, from the Popcorn Shed. I've never heard of that. Ooh, I might have to give this a go. I bet Nico's gonna like this. I love that, sending a little treat. All right, so let's see. Oh, we have more postcards. So we have she shall have a fishy on a little dishy. She shall have a fishy when the boat comes in. And there's never enough time to do nothing. Sandy toast, salty kisses, sun-bleached hair, summer wishes. Those are cute. They're like a kind of printed on more of a like a cardboard kind of feeling. It's interesting. And they're kind of, they almost appear to be stamped, which is kind of cool. And then this is the back, so like it is a proper postcard. All right, let's see what is in this little pouch. It feels like it might be a needle minder. Oh, it is a needle minder. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. It's like a little ice cream cone. Oh, you know what? I'll show this while I'm at it. Ooh. I'm having a hard time sliding that. That's a strong magnet. So it's the same kind of image. And then on the back, here's their information. And it's a pretty, it's kind of a tiny needle minder, but is really cute. I like that actually, to have a bit of a smaller needle minder. I feel like a lot of the ones I have are like ginormous. And it's a really nice kind of gold enamel needle minder. And the magnet is strong. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's a good magnet. I love that needle minder. So cute. All right. So we have this little pouch thing. Oh, and this is the kit. Maybe I'll save that. Now that I've looked inside of it, that's the kit. So let's get the rest of this. A bag of English breakfast tea from Clipper. I have used this brand before. They are good. So that's nice. It's like adding to the stitchy experience. These are super cute. Flamingo Bay paper clips by Rex London. Those are cute. I'm going to paperclip everything with these for the foreseeable future. You could also probably use it on the chart if you wanted to. If you were like one of those people that prints out the chart and kind of has it attached to the fabric or whatever. Something like that. These are really cute. Mini nail files. And it looks like they are flamingo themed. Let me see if I can, let's open this. Oh, they are. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, they are mini. Wow. These would be great to bring in your purse, actually, because they're like really small. How does this come out? Oh, you rip it at the back. I see. That's super cute. I don't want to rip it right yet, but I love that. The design. Very cool. And this is also from Rex of London. And then we have a big boy here. This is a tote. And it says Tropical Vibes. And it has the flamingo on it. I hope you can see all of that in the camera. I have to have you kind of closer than I would normally like with this current setup, but isn't that cute? Oh, I love that. That's fun. It'd be really fun to like have as like a beach bag or to carry your books around in the summer or something like that. I love that. And it has a nice separate colored like canvas bottom to it. And it is like a flat bottom. And then last but not least, a absolutely ginormous hoop. Oh my god, that's a big hoop. Wow. How many inches is that? A 12-inch embroidery hoop, it says on the side. Wow. Looks like really nice quality. I don't know if you can see the, not really, but that is really nice quality. Wow, that's huge. Wonder if you could use it for finishing the piece as well. Obviously, I haven't seen the stitch along yet because it is a mystery. But yeah, that's really cool. Absolutely huge if you are a hoop stitcher. That's insane. All right. So now for the actual kit. Okay, so it comes with some 14 count AIDA, pre-cut, and it is Zweigart, as you can see. So I guess the chart is going to be some kind of circular square chart because it looks like this is the appropriate size for the piece. So, and then we have the threads, which are all wrapped up very nicely. Let me see if I can. Oh God, how do I undo this? Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. So it comes with a needle. This just slipped out, so that's really nice. Especially if you were a beginner and you might not have a bunch of stash. The fact that this comes with a hoop, with the fabric, and a needle, and the threads, this would be really great for a beginner as well. And then here we have the card. So the Historical Sampler Company, Hello Summer Stitch Along. All of the threads are DMC, and here are our colors. So these are all beautiful summer colors. 352, to be honest, is probably my favorite color, like, ever to exist. This kind of salmon pink. I just love that color. And all of the threads are pre-cut, and they're on a piece of cardstock. But it does feel pretty sturdy. It doesn't necessarily feel like if you pulled one of these, it would rip the card. It does feel nice. And they gave you some really long, I don't know if you can see this, but they gave really long cuts of it as well. So you could definitely do a loop start if you wanted to. It's not like they've given you kind of really short cuts of thread. So that's really nice. Wow, I am super impressed, actually. This is amazing. It came with everything that you would need to stitch the chart, and then all of these extra goodies as well. And this is a UK company, and I haven't really heard of any other UK companies with this kind of level of gift box option for their mystery stitch alongs. So I'm really pleased with that. And I love the aesthetics of this kind of beachy summer vibes. I just really, really, really enjoyed this. And I think, obviously, for more advanced stitchers like myself, it's fun because it's like you get a themed box and everything. And then for beginner stitchers, you also get everything that you would need to stitch the chart as well, including supplies, which I think is really good for people who might not have stash of their own and everything. I think that's really cool. I believe they do have other options. So this is the super gift box option. I think they also just have the kit for sale and everything. I will link their website below. The stitch along does start on the 15th of July. And since it is a mystery stitch along, the parts are released to you as PDFs via email. So you will be seeing this again from me on my channel. I'm really excited to stitch this chart. I love these colors. And you know what? I think that this is going to look really nice when it's finished, displayed next to my Hello Sunshine from Caterpillar Cross Stitch. I think these are going to be really beautiful displayed together. So I'm really excited to stitch this and to participate. So I just want to say thank you so much to the Historical Sampler Company for sharing this with me so that I could share it with all of you. I will have everything linked down below. Sorry, I still can't get over this needle minder. Look at this. Ugh. Anyway, I distracted myself by all of the goodies. I 100% think that this is a great option. I will put the price down below as well so that you know what the price range is for their specialty boxes like this. And yeah, looking forward to starting this on the 15th. Let me know down below if you guys are also going to be participating. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!